All right, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to another video, and today what I have for everyone is my microphone test video testing out the microphones on the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE. So in today's video, we're going to test out the microphones on the Buds FE in two distinctive scenarios. The first scenario is going to be what you guys and gals are hearing right now, an ideal or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. And then the second scenario is going to be a simulated crowdy scenario. So please leave all your feedback and thoughts as to how y'all feel these microphones perform down below in the comments. And remember to keep your comments respectful, please. And without further ado, let's dive into today's video. So starting off here, as I said before, we're testing out the audio in an ideal noise-free or as close to noise-free as I can get it environment, okay? So what do y'all think? Now next, I have some simulated crowd noise pulled up on my computer in the background, which is outputting audio to my TV, and this is what we're going to use to simulate a crowdy or noisy environment. Now for reference, I have the computer set to 70% volume and I have the TV set to 18% volume. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to push play. I'm going to let it play for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then I'm going to talk at my natural volume, at my natural cadence, as I have been throughout the whole video. And I want you guys and gals to let me know down below in the comments how you feel these microphones from the Buds FE are performing, isolating my voice over the surrounding or ambient sounds. Let's go ahead and push play now. Okay? Okay? Now I'm going to just let it play. Okay, I'm just going to talk at my natural volume, at my natural cadence now. So this is an example of the microphone performance on the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE in a simulated crowdy or noisy environment. So once again, please let me know how y'all feel these microphones are performing in this microphone test. Okay, that should do it for the test. Let's stop the crowd noise now. Okay, and that, guys and gals, should pretty much do it for today's video. Now, before I get up out of here, I just want to let everyone know and let everyone see how I have everything set up. So recording the video here today, I am using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. Today's video is being recorded in 1080p with Bluetooth audio hooked up. And I'm going to throw up some B-roll as to how I have it set up in post, okay? So as you guys and gals can see, all I did was connect up the earbuds to the S10e, then I jumped inside of the stock Samsung Galaxy camera application, then I went all the way over to Pro Mode, and then I switched the audio input source to Bluetooth audio, all right? After that, all I did was spin the cameras around or push record and then spin the cameras around and start recording today's video. So that does it. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, please feel free to click that subscribe button down below and make sure y'all click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if you would like to see more extended coverage on the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE, or you would like to know where you can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices, all of my extended coverage on these earbuds, as well as the affiliated buy links as to where you can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices, will be available down below in the video description. So not only will the video description be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, but if you use the affiliated buy links down below, I do get a small percentage of kickback from those links that I do put back into the channel, making those affiliated buy links, in my opinion, a win-win for everyone. Okay? I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.